So I walk over to walk in the woods like I normally do, and I find this at Patty's. What bums me out, it's a Zen bench. The Zen bench took the hit. I love this bench. This was the bench I came and sat at for a long time. Been here for years. I don't know when John first built it, but as you can see, the wind did some pretty good damage here. Very grateful that none of them hit my friend's house, but they did a good job of clearing, and it's what happens when you live in the forest. Trees fall. It stinks, but it happens. So the trail is not blocked, but the Zen bench is gone. So bummed.